In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to take blanched almonds and make almond flour in a food processor. The steps are really simple. I'm also gonna show you how to make sure that your almond flour is nice and smooth. So let's get started. At first, I'm going to remove the lid from my food processor. You could also do it this way and simply pour in my shelled or my blanched almonds inside of my food processor. I'm gonna turn on my lid and turn on my food processor. Make sure to start processing the almonds. Slowly but surely, you're going to start to see that they turn into a thinner flour, and then it pretty much stops moving. That's when you want to stop. And then you're gonna see that your almonds have turned into a sand-like, and that's when you want to stop processing. You don't want to turn this into almond butter. Let me show you what it looks like straight out of the food processor. So with my hands, I can already notice that there are some coarse chunks in here, and we want to make sure that we have the finest possible almond flour. So we're going to process this a little bit more. But first, I want to make sure that there's no almonds stuck to the sides. So I just take a spatula and move this around. Okay, so let's give this another go. So I can already feel that this is a lot finer. The next step would be to sift the almond flour. Now you can use a very fine strainer like this. It's gonna take a little while. You can also use a powdered sugar sifter or flour sifter, or you can take a mesh strainer like this, which is what I'm going to do, and place it over a bowl. You can also use a little spatula to help you sift the almond flour, just like this. Now with a food processor, your almond flour isn't always going to come out super fine, but it will be great just to make your traditional baked goods like muffins and almond flour breads. I'll link a few recipes for you below this video. And whatever's left of the top, I would simply sprinkle it on my salads or even in my oats in the morning. Now remember that if your almonds still look like this, they need to be blanched. So before you grind these up into almond meal, make sure to watch this next video so you can get perfectly blanched almonds in just a couple of minutes. See you guys next time.